what's up guys? My name is Zach and today we are back again with another Brap box. Now, as you guys might have seen before, if this is the first Brap box video you're viewing, first of all, thank you for watching. But if you'd like to order your own Brap box, hit up the link in the description below where you can get yours. So, we're going to open up the box, and first things first, we're going to do the t-shirt. I know we normally do the t-shirt last, but as you can see, I have a pizza stain on my shirt. I've been at a family event where I've been standing for 8 hours a day the last 2 days. My feet are killing me. I'm still wearing dress pants, and obviously my shirt is a wreck. So let's check out the shirt first. So, pry it open. Not really pry, but here we have the shirt of the month, September's shirt, and it is, if I can straighten it out, it's an FD on, I don't know what Skyline this is, but just in front of a Skyline, and it says Mazda RX-7 Brap box, and then it says Brap. I assume that's box in Japanese, and then FD3S, which is the signifier for the 3rd gen RX-7. So let me throw this on. So there it is, guys. Looks really nice, super comfortable. The shirts are actually made by, it's Bella Canvas, I don't know, but they're really comfy shirts, and I'll definitely be wearing this to meets and such. So let's get into the rest of the box. There's a bunch of zip ties, which are genuinely helpful for a lot of us RX-7 mechanics out there. They're weird zip ties that have this like little notch that comes off it, but super nice. I'll count them out here real quick. There seems to be 24 of them, which is a lot of zip ties, but it's actually super helpful. That's actually, I think every car guy can use zip ties somewhere on their car. My E-fan is held in by zip ties. My wideband is held in by zip ties. So it's not a bad way to go, because if you need to adjust it, you totally can. Then, of course, air freshener. Brap Box's newest scent. They used to use an old one. This is a different scent. Smells good. A sticker of the t-shirt design, which I really like these stickers because you could peel up like a die cut version of it, or you could peel up the whole square if you're more into square stickers. We actually get 2 of those, one in a slightly smaller size. This is only the square, so this is a giant square, this is a die cut, pretty neat. And then 2 fortune cookies. This is what I really like with the zip ties and the fortune cookies. Brap Box is really switching it up. It used to kind of just be t-shirt, sticker, maybe a pin, and then an air freshener. But this week we got, or this month we got fortune cookies and zip ties. So let's get them open here. I don't know if it'll say something custom or if they're just rotary engines are for real champions. You are a world-class champ. That's pretty neat. So that's cool, and then it says Brap Box on the back. I think that's really neat. Definitely a cool new idea. Totally something we haven't seen before. I mean, how many boxes have you ordered in the mail that then have fortune cookies in them? So, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the September Brap Box. If you really liked the video, please don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. And definitely check out Brap Box if you'd like the monthly rotary subscription service. They have all different price levels that you can get. You can get just a t-shirt, you can get the full box, you can buy just a t-shirt one time, and I believe they also sell Jay Leno's car care, shampoo for your car, so that's what we reviewed last month if you'd like to check that out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys. Aside from my soul.